Hello guys, my name is Bart, I'm from Just One More and this is my channel. Hey guys, in today's video I will be showing you a little bit different part of the hobby which some people do not actually do, but we are personally doing it. It's foraging for some moss, for some lichen, for isopods, and for a little bit of cork bark. So we're gonna take you for a very short walk and very brief, journey to our forest, which we normally do go on foraging. And well, I hope you will enjoy it. So welcome on the treasure hunting with Bart. This is our local forest. We've got about 15 minutes drive to it, then about 2 miles walk to the places where there's no traffic whatsoever. So yeah, just enjoying the views, dog enjoying the walk. And as you can see, a little bit of the aftermath of the last storms which we had in Scotland. So it's looking quite grim, but as well it's providing us with plenty of material for future, for the enclosures and for everything. As you can see, we found some treasures, some lichen, which isopods absolutely adore and love it. So we didn't hesitate it, we collected some as well for our isopods, which we have in our collection. And yeah, some sphagnum moss, of course, which is basic stuff for any enclosure. It's holding the moisture very well and it's very easy to store. As well as a carpet moss, which you can collect it from dead tree trunks. It's actually growing very well on them. Yeah, and as I said, some lichen. We actually collected most of it from that tree. It was like a Christmas tree for us, so it was pretty great. This is something what posh woodlice loved the most. As you can see, a little bit more fallen trees when we get deeper into the forest. So during our walk, when we was foraging for the cork bark from fallen trees, we found probably the hawk moth caterpillar. So we decided to let it be, just cover it back, and hopefully it will grow to the full size beautiful moth. If you know guys what is that, what kind of caterpillar is that, just give me know in comments below. Yes, so as we can see, we've got some sphagnum moss, which we dried and stored it in the box, some carpet moss, a little bit of branches, some cork bark, which all of that will go to our enclosures in the future. Of course, I forgot to film it, but we have as well a good amount of lichen with lichen branches. So what do you think? If it's worth it to go and do it yourself, or just it's me who is doing things which I don't need to? Okay, guys, and that was it. I hope you enjoy it. See a little bit of nature. There's nothing that can beat being in the nature for a moment, to just breathe that fresh air far away from all the traffic and everything. I do hope that you find some inspiration in it and you can do it yourself as well, because nobody said you can't just move your bottom from the sofa and go and collect some moss and leaves and lichen or anything you wish and anything you need for your enclosures or for your isopods or for your tarantulas yourself, which is very important, and I wish to stress that very much. So I was inspired by Dave Little Beasties, which actually showed me that I can do it whatever I want, where I want, with what I forage, and I don't need to worry about anything, which is great, to be fair, because that saves us a bulk of money on the end of the day. That's we need to remember about that, because hobby can be expensive. We can just lower it down that cost slightly by going to the forest and collecting something ourselves. Of course, I'm not telling you to go and actually, rob everything from the forest. It's just, for your own use, which I do believe it's a great form of relax as well. There's a chance, if you have a dog, if you're a dog person, to take your dog with you, which he will have an amazing walk. So there's only benefits from it, to be fair. So if I inspired you in any way to go and find something, just leave the comment below. Tell me about it. That actually you decided to go and do it yourself. And thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe, share, and hit the bell of the subscription button so you can see the videos more often whenever I'm going to post it. I'm pretty excited because in a week time we going to Barnsley, which is amazing news. I'm very excited for it. It will be our first show of the year, and I hope to see you there, guys. So, yeah, thank you very much for watching one more time, and see you later. Thank you. Cheers.